everyone! Today I'm excited to share a delicious and healthy recipe, stuffed eggplants. Start by cutting 4 eggplants in half and soaking them in a bowl of water with a pinch of salt and the juice of 1 lemon for 20 minutes. This helps remove the bitterness of eggplant. After soaking, lightly scratch the inside of eggplants to help them cook evenly. Mix some olive oil and salt. Then rub it all over the eggplants. Place them in the oven at 350 until they are tender. While the eggplants are baking, let's prepare the filling. Roast 200 grams of ground beef until it's browned. Then add 1 chopped onion and 3 teaspoons of grated garlic. Grate 3 tomatoes and add them to the mix along with 1 teaspoon of salcha, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, black pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Cook until everything is well combined and fragrant. If you are wondering, the reason for adding vinegar is to help neutralize the tomato smell. Once the eggplants are ready, take them out of the oven and fill them with the ground beef mixture. Place a tablespoon of butter on top of each eggplant and add a little water to the tray. Put them back in the oven until everything is well combined and cooked through. For a delicious dipping sauce, you can mix yogurt with garlic. I absolutely love this recipe. It's not only flavorful but also healthy. Enjoy!